Welcome to Adventuring Life. Today we're going to explore 12 fascinating facts about the human brain. Let's start with fact number 1. Your brain stops growing at age 25, but this doesn't mean you've reached your intellectual peak. Your brain undergoes a lifelong cognitive change. Skills like memory and processing speed peak in your mid-20s. Facial recognition and problem-solving skills peak in your 30s, while emotional control and empathy peak in your 40s and 50s. Vocabulary skills peak even later, in your 60s and 70s. So, it's never too late to learn something new. Moving on to fact number 2, missing one sense amplifies others. Going blind or losing your hearing won't give you superpowers, but it can provide some neurological advantages. People who are born blind sometimes develop a new way to process the world around them and begin seeing through their ears. This reorganization is called neuroplasticity, and the brain excels at adapting to difficult situations. Fact number 3 is about the brain size. The average brain weighs about 3 pounds, which is only 2% of your body weight. However, it requires about 20% of your body's supply of oxygen, which is more than all your other skeletal muscles combined. Fact number 4 is about the miles of blood vessels in the brain. The brain needs a lot of blood, and an intricate network of vessels works around the clock to bring oxygen to every part of it. The average person has hundreds of miles of blood vessels inside their head, which is possible because they are thin and tightly woven together. Fact number 5 is brain starvation. After 5 to 6 minutes without oxygen, the brain is at risk of significant damage. The brain can't store oxygen on its own, and it relies on the body to send a constant supply. If that supply stops, the brain has only a few minutes left to live. Fact number 6 is neural speedway. Every action in the brain starts with an electrical signal, some of which are sluggish, while others race across the brain at over 230 miles per hour. The speed of a signal depends on what kind of signal it is. Fact number 7 is about thoughts. You spend the majority of the day thinking, and researchers estimate that the average person has about 50,000 thoughts per day. Fact number 8 is about brain activity during sleep. Your brain is very active during sleep, and it processes information, consolidates memories, and processes emotions. It also helps you make decisions and be creative. Fact number 9 is about brain waves. Your brain generates 4 types of waves: alpha, beta, delta, and theta. Each of these waves corresponds to different brain activities, such as relaxation, concentration, and deep sleep. Fact number 10 is about the subconscious mind. The subconscious mind controls many of our actions and thoughts, and is responsible for many of our automatic behaviors, such as breathing and blinking. Fact number 11 is about the brain's energy consumption. The brain is an energy-intensive organ and consumes 20% of the body's energy. It uses this energy to power its cognitive processes, such as thinking and learning. Finally, fact number 12 is about the brain's memory capacity. The human brain can store an almost infinite amount of information, and it's estimated that the brain's memory capacity is about 2.5 petabytes. That's enough to store 3 million hours of TV shows.